Hi, my learning friends. It's Dr. Deanna, and today we're going to take our 2 sound words and we're going to add a sound and make them 3 sound words. We're going to actually take our boxes today, and not only are we going to listen to the sounds, but we are also going to write the letters. If you have a whiteboard and a marker, and with your grown-ups' permission, you can go ahead and join with me. But if you don't have the materials, you can just go ahead and follow along and listen, and that's just great too. All right, my first word today is the word up. I'm going to throw it just like I have a ball, and you're going to pretend that it comes right through that computer screen and catch it and say it at the same time. All right, are you ready? The word is up. Up. Did you catch it? Up. All right. Up. Sounds in my words. Up. Sounds in my words. Up. Sounds in my words. These are all the sounds I heard. All right, but there's a special trick today because I'm going to be adding a sound to the beginning. So I need to save that place. I'm just going to put a little dot right there with my marker. Now, let's listen to the first sound I hear. What sound did I hear at the beginning? Did you say the The U says the sound, so I know in that box right there, I'm going to write my U. And my U is a scoop and a line, and everything's fine. All right, now let's listen to the next sound. What did I hear at the end of my word? Did you hear the I heard the as well. Let's go ahead to our last box right there, and we're going to write the letter that says P. The P says P. Now, usually the P is a monkey letter and it hangs below the line, but my box is super low and I can't go below the line, so I'm just going to do my best. I draw straight down and a bump, and there's my P. All right, now I'm going to take my reading finger and I'm going to touch each letter and say the sound and then blend it. Up. That's how we blend the word. But now if I add a sound to the beginning, I can make a whole new word. Listen, listen to my word. Tell me all the sounds you heard. K is one sound, is 2. P is a third sound, it's true. Listen, listen to my word. Tell me all the sounds you heard. All right, I want to add a to the beginning. I'm going to just erase that little dot right there, and I'm going to write the letter that says K. Now, it could be a C or a K, but in this case, it's the C. There is a rule that helps us to learn that, and when you're ready for it, I will teach it. But for now, we are going to go ahead and write the C that says K. All right, right in the first box. All right, we have our 3 sound word. Let's get out our reading finger and touch each letter, and then we're going to blend it. Here we go. Cup. Now, what if I want to make this word pup? What do I hear at the beginning of pup? Do you hear the What letter says that? It's the P. So I'm going to erase that C. And if I change it to one new letter, I make a whole new word. So I'm going to write my P, just like the other one. All right. So I went from a cup that I can drink from to here we go, a pup, like a puppy dog. Now, do you see my little word inside my big word? Up, blended, pup. All right, now I'm going to erase all of my letters. That's what I love about whiteboards. And you know what is also super special is that if I make a mistake, that's no big deal. That's a part of my learning. So all I have to do with the whiteboard is erase it. It's no big deal. All right, here's my next word. Now, I'm going to start with a 2-sound word. So I'm going to put a dot in that first box just to hold the place. All right, here we go. The word is am. Are you ready to catch it? I'm going to throw it, and you're going to pretend it comes right through that computer screen. Just pretend. All right, here we go. Am. Did you catch it? Am. All right. Sounds of my words. Sounds of my words. Sounds of my words. These are all the sounds I heard. All right. What did I hear at the beginning of am? Did you hear the and the letter A says I'm going to write my circle and my line and everything is fine. There's my A. And then I have a What letter says the sound? If you said M, you are correct. So I'm going to go in my last box and I'm going to write my M. Now I have my little word, But maybe I want to make the word ham. Listen, listen to my word. Tell me all the sounds you heard. Is one sound, is two. Is the third sound, it's true. Listen, listen to my word. Tell me all the sounds you heard. The word is ham. What do I hear at the beginning of ham? Do you hear the H? So I'm going to erase my little dot. And now I can add an H at the beginning. And now I have the word ham. Ham. But what if I want to make it jam? Like the jam I put on my sandwich bread. So I hear a j, and that is my J. So I'm going to write my J right there. There we go. Get out your reading finger. Let's touch each letter and say the sound. Blended, jam. All right. Last word. We're going to change one letter and make a whole new word. I want to make this Sam. Oh, that is a name, and that means my first letter will have to be in uppercase. Let's go ahead and erase my J because I want to make it Sam. I hear the S at the beginning, so I'm going to write my uppercase S. And there I have my name, Sam. Get out your reading finger. Here we go. Blended, Sam. And do you see that little word inside the big word? There is the little word am. I've had so much fun today listening to the sounds and putting the letters on the board that match them. I'll see you next time when I teach to your super learning powers, one child at a time.